Yeah, Mr. Kenyon.
Yes.
I can't respond to your emails for some reason.
Okay.
It's not letting me forward anything back to you in regards to the emails.
Okay.
Especially the one that I received, I guess, yesterday afternoon. I tried to respond to it in the manner. I thought when I filed my financial hardship with the Supreme Court and I was granted, that was part of the granted is the filings and things that go along with the Supreme Court. That wasn't it then?
No. The court looked. I sent your email to the court yesterday, and they replied back to me to tell you that was denied.
Okay, how come I'm not getting no orders from them personally? And I'm getting, my emails that I'm getting some from your email, and then I'm getting some from the Supreme Court docket.
Right.
Now, why is it different in some areas that you're responding and not in other areas, man? I'm getting...
The Supreme Court documents is the one when we enter something, it's the generic one that is used by this whole staff, okay? And then my email is just directly from me, myself. But the bottom line, here's the thing is that they want you to file. We just do not have electronic filing. Okay, we just,
okay. Is faxing, is that considered electronic filing? Because when they walked into that Supreme Court for oral argument and they had all that paperwork, you can't tell me, Steve, that they walked that over to you as you told me before and filed it. They had to have filed it in some manner over.
No, that was part of the record.
Exactly.
That was all part of the record that came from the Industrial Commission. The other side has not fax filed anything.
Or emailed anything to be filed.
No one can do that. It's just
okay. Well, because they lied, and I'm trying to get this to them so I can have some kind of a hearing to have them bring this stuff forward of the lies.
Yeah. So the thing, if you want to file something, just type out a motion and.
Okay, like a motion for a hearing. I know I had that oral argument because everybody points me back to you, Steve. I'm trying to stay away from you.
Right.
Okay, I really am. But these every door that I've hit, it gets slammed and says you need to contact Steve Kenyon, clerk of the court.
Right.
And when I do, I just don't feel that I'm getting, because of so many things that's happened throughout this filing on behalf of me. And if those are my records, that is before the Supreme Court, my records, that my records have been altered with. And things aren't up to par like they should be because I'm having to do this on my own. And I'm having to do it in out of another state. And I can't get, and I did contact the Idaho State Bar to try to get an attorney.
Hey, Jim.
Yes, go ahead, Steve.
Okay. You filed your appeal. You had your oral argument. The court is working on your opinion. And right now, really nothing will happen until your opinion is
yeah, but what if they lied, Steve Kenyon? And this is where everybody directs me back to you. Contact the clerk of the court to find out what to file if you feel that they have lied to the Supreme Court. And that's where I'm at. I'm back to you again, asking you, what do I file? Because I'm not asking for legal. I'm asking for what I should be told directly on now that I know that they've filed. What motion am I to file?
File a motion telling the court whatever you think that they need to hear, and
for a hearing to back up their statements that they had stated at oral argument. Correct? Well, that's where everybody tells me to come back to you, Steve Kenyon. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm having a hard time, and I know I'm running out of time. Because I'm trying to keep myself together over here, knowing that they lied, and I'm trying to get these lies that they presented to the Supreme Court to have a hearing, to have them produce those lies that they have done. Where do I stand? Mr. Kenyon, are you there? They hang up on me.